See bete, this is dilute sulfuric acid. This is dilute sulfuric acid. Here I am taking bete red litmus. And this is a blue litmus. Okay? We have done that acid turn blue litmus red. So I am taking over here bete a blue litmus strip. You can see here. And I am dropping a drop of sulfuric acid on it. So it does become red in color. As it is acid, so blue litmus turn red in color. Got it? Now let us see what happens if we will drop blue acid on the blue litmus. Sorry, we have done acid on the red litmus. Now this I am taking red litmus. And I am dropping a drop of sulfuric acid. You can see there is no change. Because acid will turn bete blue litmus red, but there will be no change on red litmus. Got it? Now, this, you can see here, this is a sodium sulfate. It is not in the solution form, so we'll make a solution over it. What does it known as? This is a spatula I am taking. This is a spatula. This is sodium hydroxide, not a sodium. I am taking few sodium hydroxide flakes in the test tube. See? I have taken this sodium hydroxide in the test tube. Now I am pouring some water in it to make it a solution. Okay? To make it a solution, I have poured water into sodium hydroxide. Okay? Now I am taking a red litmus. And this is a base. And this is a red litmus. That must turn into blue color. CBD blue litmus turn remain blue. I'll take other red litmus. ये पेपर आ गया था. It is not turning. Let me see the pH paper. Red to blue होना चाहिए. It is a strong base. See, it turns into a blue. So red is changing into a blue in presence of a base. Now, we have done bete. I am taking, this is your ferrous sulfate, that is a green in color. You have done, ferrous sulfate is green in color. ठीक है? हाँ. Now it is in powder form. So we will make as a solution. इसको पाउडर नहीं कहते. This is a crystals of ferrous sulfate. Okay, these are crystals. So I am again pouring some water to make its solution. Okay, so this is ferrous sulfate solution. Okay, bete. Now I am placing it here. Now I am taking copper sulfate. See the copper sulfate. It is a blue color crystals, blue vitriol. You will say as a crystal, not as a powder. So these are blue color crystals. So these in the solid form. So I am adding water to it to make it a solution form. So now it is a aqueous copper sulfate, जो हम bracket में लिखते हैं, EQ, when it occurs in the solution form. Okay. Now this I am taking iron powder. Iron in the forms of fillings. So I am pouring into it black color. So you know that iron is more active than copper. It should displace this copper sulfate. Okay. So I am just heating की reaction fast हो जाए. You will not eat like this. As we are trained, you will use tongs over it. See the change in color. It is becoming green. The previous color was blue. Now it is changing into green. Okay? So it means अब आपकी क्या बन गई, कॉपर नीचे जो ब्राउन कलर की है, और फेरस सल्फेट, द आयरन सल्फेट हैज बीन फॉर्म्ड. ओके, सो द डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन हैज अकर्ड. ठीक है बेटे, द डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन हैज अकर्ड. नाउ this is ferrous sulfate solution, isn't it? Now, if I'll add some, we don't have, we have, they don't, yes. This is copper metal. This is copper metal. Does copper can replace the iron? So it will not replace the iron. So I will be adding this copper metal into this iron sulfate. It will remain as such and no displacement reaction will take place. You can see any blue color formation because there is no displacement reaction. You will add copper into ferrous sulfate, you will see no displacement reaction. Yes. I think it is zinc. Now this is a zinc metal. This is a zinc metal. I am putting it in test tube. Okay. I am putting in the, this is zinc I have taken. Okay. Only zinc. Now I am adding an acid, dilute sulfuric acid. This is dilute sulfuric acid. We know that zinc or any metal with an acid give a zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas which burn with pop sound, isn't it? Now adding an acid into zinc. You will add with a dropper only. First of all, you will see the bubbles coming out. See carefully. There are certain bubbles. I am heating it to make the reaction more vigorous. What do you see? जिंक मेटल के अराउंड देखो, the gas coming out is hydrogen gas. Let the gas come out. एक तो मैस्टिक भी चल रही. I'm adding more of the acid to it. अगर ये गई, there is no mastic. बेटे burning mastic. See, now you can see the bubbles coming out. I have poured more of the acid. Now see the bubbles. These are of hydrogen gas. As zinc is reacting, so hydrogen gas is evolving. Wait. अब ये भी गई ना तो गई. गैस यहाँ पहुंचे दो. Bring the mastic बेटे over. हाँ मिल गई. रहने दो. रहने दो. नहीं नहीं, बहुत तेज आती है बेटे। लेट मी फोर। Only one mastic is left. यार है ही नहीं ना मैस्टिक, यहाँ पे खत्म हुई है। तो लाइट ऑफ, फैन स्विच ऑफ करो। लेके आओ मैस्टिक, लेके ना, इसमें है ही नहीं, केमिस्ट्री लैब में से। लेट मी सी, अगर मैं ये ही लेके आऊं, ये होगी नहीं ना बेटे, ये होगी नहीं पेपर। नहीं होगा, मैस्टिक ही चाहिए मैं, बड़ी वाली। चलो विल सी अदर डे, अगर नहीं होता तो छोटी सी। नो, चलो till then see how hydrogen gas is evolving. ठीक है, because as zinc and HCl is reacting and hydrogen gas is evolving, you can see the bubbles coming out over it. Okay, so what does we conclude? That see, we have added copper iron into copper sulfate solution, the color is changing in the greenish. Now we have added copper into ferrous sulfate, no change. अभी तक कोई चेंज नहीं हुआ। We don't have mastic over here, otherwise now bete, this is zinc sulfate. Just see, this is zinc sulfate. It is also white in color. Ferrous sulfate was a green in color. Copper sulfate was blue in color. Now zinc sulfate is again white in color. Let us see that copper can displace zinc sulfate. This I have taken zinc sulfate. Now it is a solid form. I am adding water into it. Again, bete, to making its solution. So here I have added bete. See, this is zinc sulfate solution. Now I am adding copper into it. Copper in the form of powder, shreddings. I have poured copper into it. Now, let me show by heating also that reactions occur or not. You can see, वो तो heating करने के कारण. Zinc sulfate solution remain as such and copper remain as such. So there is no reaction as copper lie below in the reactivity series. To conclude, we can conclude that any metal which is lying above in the reactivity series can displace other metal from its salt. Okay, likewise, we have done this displacement reaction. See, now copper has been settled down and ferrous sulfate देखो बन गया green color का, जैसे कि ये पहले था. Just see, both of them are green in color. Original color of copper sulfate was this. Now you can see there is a green color and this brown color is of copper and so is this brown color. Here no reaction take place, here reaction is taking place. So this is displacement reaction. Okay, when I have taken red litmus, it turned blue in presence of a base, and when I have taken blue litmus, it will turn red in presence of an acid. See, base भी आपने देख लिया बेटे. This is सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड जो लैब में ऐसे अवेलेबल है. ठीक है, इसमें वाटर में डालते हो तो सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड का सॉल्यूशन बनता है, वो कैच करेगा. ये देखो, ये स्टिल द रिएक्शन इज गोइंग ऑन एंड हाइड्रोजन गैस इज कमिंग. You can see the still reaction is coming, going on, and hydrogen gas is coming. Let me try again for the last time. I am so small mastic. इतनी हाइड्रोजन नहीं आ रही है. इसको बर्न आउट पॉप साउंड देनी चाहिए. Don't have this thing with which I am holding this mastic. These are tongs. It is not burning out. बहुत अच्छी, थोड़ी सी तो होने की कोशिश. नहीं, उतनी देर में पहुंचती है, उतनी देर में बंद हो जाती है. We need a, चलो we'll do other time in the lab. ठीक है. So you have seen the properties of an acid. You have seen the property of a base. Let me show you now calcium oxide. This calcium oxide, it is a metal oxide. When it will be poured into water, it will also form a base, isn't it? It will form a base and it should turn red litmus blue. So let us see if I am taking calcium oxide. I don't have other test tube here. ठीक, I have taken बेटे calcium oxide. I have made a solution that will form calcium hydroxide and which will turn red litmus blue. Done. You have seen the properties of acid base. Now let us discuss